This video is for the grade 7 research website assignment 7, in which you share and publish your work. First, you're going to go to Weebly.com. Then you're going to click Login in the top right corner. You'll click on G+ Login. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to go on to Schoology in another tab. So in another tab, you're going to go to Schoology.com. You'll click on Courses. I happen to have a bunch, but you'll just have one that you'll click on. And from that point, what you'll do is you'll click on your research project folder, and you'll scroll all the way down to the bottom. And on the bottom, you'll see Nonprofit Website Rubric. You'll go ahead and click on that. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to make your own copy of it. So you're going to click on where it says File up in the top left corner of the document and click on Make a Copy. And then you'll click on OK. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to fill out your rubric. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do kind of a split screen over here, but what you can do is one person would have the rubric open and one person would have the website open. Anyway, once you get to the website, remember that you would click on the X in Weebly to exit out and then click on Edit Site. So anyway, what you're going to do is you're going to start off just by looking at your website and grading yourself. So for example, right here where it says your name, you're just going to put in your name, put in first and last name. And then what you're going to do is you're going to start grading yourself on whether or not you used a website and a database resource. So basically what you can do is you would go over to, for example, the first part to check to make sure you have a reliable website and one database resource. You should have that listed on your facts page. So if you have that, then what you do is click in the space for excellent. And then up at the top, what you would do is you would click on the paint can and you would go ahead and choose a color and color it in. Then what you would do next is you'll just continue to fill out the rubric. So for example, written content includes at least 5 strong reasons supporting your cause. Put in your own words, parenthetical citations. So in this case, we have 5 strong reasons, parenthetical citations, all put in your own words. So then you would go ahead and just click in that space under excellent. And then once again, you would go ahead and click on the paint can and give it a color. And you want to continue to do that for the rest of the rubric. And then once you're done with the rubric, you'll add up all of your total points and put it up at the top. So for example, if you got all 3s, your total score would be 15, which would be an A. So then what you would do is go ahead and type in your total score. So then what you're going to do is you're going to share the rubric with me. So you click on Share in the top right corner. And then you'll type in efoley@hanoverschools.org and make sure that you spell everything correctly, otherwise I won't get it. And then you'll just go ahead and click on Send. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to publish your website and send that as well. So you'll go over to Weebly, and you should hopefully still have your Weebly tab open. What you're going to do is you're going to click on Publish up in the top right corner. So then what'll happen is it's going to prompt you to put in a few things. So you should see something here next to the HTTP. If not, you need to type something in. Otherwise, click Continue, and then you're going to click on Skip. Then what you'll need to do is type in the numbers that are shown here, and then you'll click on OK, Publish My Site. Everybody's numbers will be different, so you'll just make sure that you type it in. So then you'll click on OK, Publish My Site, and then it'll come up with the URL for your website. So you'll just go ahead and click and drag to copy it. And once it's highlighted in blue, hit Control and C on your keyboard. From here, what you'll do is you'll open up a new tab and you'll go to gmail.com. And from here, you'll compose an email to Mrs. Foley in order to send your website. So you'll go ahead and click on Compose in the left-hand side. And then what you'll do here is you'll type in eFoley at hanoverschools.org, since you're sending it to Mrs. Foley. And it might start to pop up right away, but you want to make sure that you spell it correctly. And then you want to tell whose website it is. So obviously you worked with a partner, so make sure you include your partner's name as well. And then what you're going to do is just click down in the body of the email. And from here, you'll go ahead and hit Control and V on your keyboard. And what that'll do is it'll bring up the URL of your website. So for example, we've got right here, whoops, you should have the URL of your website up here. And it will probably come up in blue, but that's okay. And then the last thing you'll do is click on Send at the bottom of your email, and that's it.